Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today is our lesson number 19, and in this lesson we will solve some questions of exercise 4a. Question number 9. This question is expand and simplify each of the following. Its B part is 7x minus 3y into x minus 4y plus 5x minus 9y y minus 2x. This expression has two terms, and in each term there are two brackets. We will remove these two brackets and these two brackets, and then we will collect like terms and simplify to get the final answer. The method, you know that we will take the first term of the first bracket and we will multiply this with each term of the second bracket. Then we will take second term and we will multiply with each term. Similarly, we will remove these two brackets. Removing these two brackets, 7x multiplied by x is 7x square, 7x multiplied by minus 4y is minus 28xy. Minus 3y multiplied by x is minus 3xy, and minus 3y multiplied by minus 4y is plus 12y square. Then plus sign, and we will remove these two brackets and write the answer within brackets. 5x multiplied by y is 5xy, 5x multiplied by minus 2x is minus 10x square. Then minus 9y multiplied by y is minus 9y square. 9y multiplied by minus 2x is plus 18xy. Now we will simplify within the bracket. Look, 7x square minus 28xy and 3xy, these two are like terms, so we will remove these two brackets. 7x square minus 28xy minus 3xy is 31xy plus 12y square, and this 5xy plus 18xy is 23xy minus 10x square and minus 9y square. Now we will again collect the like terms. The terms with the x square, there is 7x square minus 10x square is minus 3x square. Then minus 31xy plus 23xy is minus 8xy, 12y square minus 9y square is 3y square. So this is part B of question number 9. Now question number 10. Expand and simplify again. There are two brackets in this part. We will expand or remove the bracket by using this rule. That is, we will multiply x with x square, x and 1, and then we will multiply 2 with x square, x and 2. This is x cube, x square and x plus 2x square plus 2x plus 2. Now we will collect the like terms. There is only one term with x cube. We will write this as it is. X square plus 2x square is 3x square, x plus 2x is 3x, and 2 is alone. So we will get x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2, which is the final answer of question number 10 B part. Question number 11. Here you are asked to factorize each of the following completely. It's A part, a square plus 3ab minus 4b square. This is quadratic expression, and we have learnt the factorization of quadratic expression in chapter number 3. We will multiply the coefficient of a square, that is 1, with minus 4, and we will get minus 4. Now we will factorize this number minus 4. Because this number is minus 4, so the two factors will have different signs, and the sign of the larger will be positive. What are the pair of factors of minus 4? That is minus 1 plus 4, minus 2 plus 2. Now what are two numbers which when multiplied give you minus 4, and when you add it gives plus 3? So these two numbers, minus 1 and plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4. So we will break this middle term by using these two factors, minus 1 and plus 4, and we will get a square minus ab plus 4ab minus 4b square. Now from the first two brackets we will take common, and from the last two terms we will take common. From the first two terms, a is common, we have written a outside the bracket and within the bracket a minus b, plus 4b is common from these two terms, and we are left with a minus b. Now from these two terms a minus b is common, and we have written a minus b, and within bracket we will write a, which is left from first term, and 4b from the second term. So these are the factors of this expression. Its D part, 3m square minus 16mn minus 12n square. Again this is a quadratic expression, so we will multiply 3 with minus 12, we will get minus 36. Now because this number is negative, so the two factors will have different signs, and because the middle term is negative, so the sign of the larger factor will be negative. It is plus 1 minus 30, plus 2 minus 18, plus 3 minus 12, plus 4 minus 9, plus 6 minus 6. These are a pair of factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 30 are the factors of 36. Sorry, here there is 36. You will write 36 here. Now we will look at these two pairs, and we will find two numbers or two factors which when multiply give you 36, and when you add two numbers you get minus 16. So it is plus 2 and minus 18. So we will break the middle term, minus 16mn. We will break this term and we will get 3m square plus 2mn minus 18mn minus 12n square. Now from the first two terms we will take common, and from the last two terms we will take common. From first two terms there is m which is common. M is common and we are left with 3m plus m is common and we are left with 2n. From these two terms 6n is common. So when we will divide 18mn by 6n we will get 3m, and 12n square divided by 6n will give you 2n. From these two terms 3m plus 2n is common, and the second factor will be m minus 6n. This is question number 11, its D part. The remaining questions can be solved by yourself. Question number 11, its F part. You are asked to factorize completely. Now look, there is something common in all the terms. So for first we will take that common, which is t in this case. We are left with 2r square minus 9rs plus 10s square within bracket. Now we will multiply 2 with the plus 10. It is plus 20. And we will factorize these two because this number is plus, both the factors will have same signs. Because this term is negative, so both will have negative sign. It is minus 1 minus 20 minus 2 minus 10 minus 4 minus 5. Because when we will add these two factors we will get minus 9, and when we will multiply minus 4 with the minus 5 we will get plus 20. And this is t, 2r square minus 4rs minus 5rs plus 10s square. From these two terms we will take common. 2r is common and we are left with r minus 2s. From these two terms minus 5s is common, so we are left with r minus 2s. And from these two terms r minus 2s is common, and the final answer is t, r minus 2s and 2r minus 5s. In question number 12 you are asked to find the product of these two. Product means you are asked to multiply this with this. Now because in multiplication we cancel the common factor in numerator and denominator first. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, and 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and 5 multiplied by 1 will be 5. So we get 4 over 5. X square is the only variable. Y multiplied with y will give us y square, and z cube is the alone, so we will write this as it is. So this is the product of these two terms. Expand and simplify each of the following. Again, this is the question of expansion. So we will remove these two brackets and we will remove these two brackets to write the answer. Multiplication of these two is this, minus sign, and multiplication of these two expression is this. So within bracket there is 30x square plus 20xy plus 3xy plus 2y square. 30x square, 20 plus 3 is 23xy and 2y square, minus, simplifying this expression within the bracket, minus 5x square minus 30 plus 4 is minus 20xy plus 25 24y square. Now we will remove this bracket, and because there is negative sign before this bracket, we will change the signs of each term. It is 30x square plus 23xy plus 2y square plus 5x square plus 26xy minus 24y square. Now we will collect like terms from this. 30x square plus 5x square, 2y square minus 24y square, and 23xy plus 26xy, they are like terms. So 30x square plus 5 is 35, 23 plus 26 is 49xy, and 2y square minus 24y square is minus 22y square. Question number 14, expand and simplify again. There are two brackets. We will remove these two brackets by multiplying 2x with x, 5y minus 2, and minus 3y with x plus 5y and minus 2, and we will get this 2x square plus 10xy minus 4x, 3xy minus 15xy square, and plus 6y. Collecting like terms, if there is only one term with x square. 10xy minus 3xy is 7xy minus 4x plus 6y minus 15y square. And its d part, again we will multiply 3x square with 3 and minus x, and we will get this expression, 9x square minus 3x cube minus 3 multiplied by 3 is minus 9x minus 3x multiplied by x is plus 3x square plus 12 and minus 4x. Now we will collect like terms, because there is only one term with x cube. So we will write this first, minus 3x square, 9x square plus 3x square is plus 12x square, minus 9x minus 4x is minus 13x plus 12. So this is two parts of question number 14. Question number 15, again you are asked to factorize each of the following completely. This is again a quadratic expression. X square y square is a quadratic term. So we will multiply 12 with minus 40 and we will get minus 480. Now we will find two factors of 440 such that their product is minus 480 and their sum is minus 17. Because this number is negative, so the two factors will have different signs, and the sign of the larger will be negative. So our factors are plus 1 minus 480, 2 and 240, plus 3 and minus 160, plus 4 and minus 120, plus 5 and 96, plus 6 and minus 80, plus 8 and minus 60, plus 10 and minus 48, plus 12 and minus 40, plus 15 and minus 32, plus 16 and minus 30, plus 20 and minus 24. Now from these pair of factors we will find those two factors which when multiply give you this, and when you add those two factors you will get minus 17. So these two numbers are 15 and 32, because when you will add 15 and minus 32 you will get minus 17, and when you will multiply these two numbers you will get minus 480. अब ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपने सारे ही फैक्टर निकालने हैं, जब आपके पास दो रिक्वायर्ड फैक्टर्स आ जाएं तो आप बाकी वाले जो हैं वो बेशक ना करें. नाउ वी विल ब्रेक दिस मिडल टर्म and we will write 12x square y square first term as it is, and 15xy minus 32xy. Again we will factorize first two terms and last two terms, and we will get this, and this is the final answer. Now 2x square plus 5 over 3xy minus 2y square. Now look, there is a fraction in one term. So इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए हम पहले इस फ्रैक्शन को ख़त्म करेंगे. फ्रैक्शन को ख़त्म करने के लिए हम इसका एलसीएम ले लेंगे, क्योंकि ये एक एक्सप्रेशन है और इक्वेशन नहीं है. अगर इक्वेशन होती तो पूरी इक्वेशन को हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते. अब चूँकि फ्रैक्शन है तो 3 जो है वो हमारा इसी तरह रहेगा. तो इसका एलसीएम ले लेंगे. इसका डिनोमिनेटर 1, इसका डिनोमिनेटर भी 1 और इसका डिनोमिनेटर 3. तो 1 3 और 1 का एलसीएम जो है वो 3 आएगा. और फिर हमारे पास क्या आएगा, 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 इज 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x y माइनस 6y स्क्वायर. अब ये फिर इसी तरह का क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन है. हम 6 को -6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास आएगा -36, ये वाला नंबर. अब ये चूंकि नेगेटिव नंबर है तो इसके दो फैक्टर्स जो हैं वो डिफरेंट साइंस के फैक्टर्स होंगे. चूंकि ये टर्म प्लस की है तो लार्जर का साइन जो है वो प्लस होगा. तो इसका एक फैक्टर है -1 और +36, -2 और +18, -3 और +12, -4 +9, -6 एंड -6. तो इनमें से कौन से दो ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करने से -36 और ऐड करने से +5 आता हो? तो वो -4 और +9 है. तो मिडिल टर्म को ब्रेक कर लेंगे और लिखेंगे -4xy प्लस 9xy. उसी तरह पहली दो टर्म और आखिरी दो टर्म में से जो कॉमन फैक्टर है, पहली दो टर्म में 2x कॉमन है और दूसरी दो टर्म में 3y कॉमन है. और फिर इन दो टर्म्स में से 3x माइनस 2y कॉमन है. सो 1/3 3x minus 2y and 2x plus 3y. This is your final answer. So this was your exercise number 4a. And after this we will solve exercise 4b. So after this lesson you can solve the following questions of exercise 4a. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का ए पार्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 का ए पार्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 के बी सी और ई पार्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 का ए पार्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 के बी सी और क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 के ए सी पार्ट्स. तो ये इसी तरह के सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो हमने किए हैं. तो होप दिस लेसन इज क्लियर. This is my profile and my YouTube channel, my WhatsApp number and my email address is given here. जितनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे मैथमेटिक्स उतना ही आपके काबू में आएगा. सो बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस मेक्स नॉलेज परफेक्ट. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.